Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by disconnecting power to the opener and propping the door up so it won't drop. Safety first. Next, you remove the cable end from the lock drum with pliers and an adjustable wrench, because freeing the old cable lets you assess damage. Once done, compare the new cable length and thickness to the old one and clear the track of debris. This prevents rubbing and ensures the replacement will seat correctly. You now remove the old cable entirely, unwinding it from the drum and freeing it from the lock arm so you can thread the new one. Thread the replacement cable through the same path, drum, pulleys, and along the rail, so it tracks identically. Consistency prevents binding. Then secure the cable end to the lock arm, but leave a little slack. Make sure to clamp or hold the other end while you adjust the drum to restore proper winding and baseline tension. You finish by tightening the drum set screws and reconnecting the cable end, then slowly lower the door to seat the cable and observe travel. Make small tension adjustments so the lock engages without strain. Too tight causes wear, too loose prevents locking. Once the door moves smoothly, reconnect power and cycle the opener several times. If the door binds or the lock won't engage, recheck pulley alignment, drum seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.